Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject English.
Good morning students, hope you all well. Today we are going to deal the textbook, that is our grammar textbook. Yes, today we are going to study the first chapter of the grammar, that is phrases and clauses. All of you take your English grammar text for the class. Let us go to the class. Students, I hope you that all of you took your English grammar text for the class, and here you have to take the page number 3, the phrases and clauses. Before I enter into the class, I want to tell you some informations about this chapter. And here you can see in the picture that I am already underlined the important points of this chapter. And page number 5, there is two Roman letters 1 and 2. This is actually given as you a homework. You have to done this homeworks because you have to do this. You have to done this homeworks with the help of our key answer key in the page number 143. First you have to read this chapter. After that you done yourself and compare your answer to the back side of the pages, that is 143. Take the 143 page, that is 143 page. There you can get the answer of the that questions, that answer of the page number 5. The answers is there, and you have to done yourself. After that you have to compare your answer to that answer key. Okay, let us go to the class. Phrases and clauses. First one is, what is phrase? Here, phrase is a group of words that make a sense but not complete sense. Phrase is a word. It's make a sense but not complete sense. Example, at night. At night is we know that what is night. It makes a sense but not complete sense. On the shelf with her father after 2 days. These all are make sense but not complete sense. And in order to express the complete sense, some more words are required. Okay, here the words are, the moon shines at night and she phoned me after 2 days. Some boys in the class were making noise. These are the words which makes a complete sentence. Okay, phrases can be three kinds: noun phrase, adjective phrase, and adverb phrase. Now turn the page number 4. In the previous page we already learned that the phrases can be three kinds, that is noun phrase, adjective phrase, and adverb phrase. Here in the fourth page they are given some examples of phrases that show me how to do it. The sun rises in the east, like that. In the top of the sentence, the group of words in italics are phrases. Here is italics, italic words, that is show me how to do it. How to do, it's a italic phrase. So sun rises in the east, and these italic words are phrases. Okay, and more important that phrases cannot containing a predicate. Okay, and next is clauses. The clause is a group of words which forms a part of a sentence containing a subject and a predicate of its own. Is called phrases. Here is actually phrases which forms a part of, which is a part of sentence and which are containing both subject and predicates its own sentence. Okay, this is clauses. And he has a chain which is made of gold. He has a chain which is made of gold. Here the which is made of a gold is not a phrase. This is not a phrase because it has a subject which. Okay, which has a subject. It has a subject which, so it is not a phrase. And a predicate is made of gold. Since it has a subject and a predicate, it resembles a sentence. It resembles a sentence. Yes, yet it is not a complete sentence because it forms only a part of sentence. The italic group of words in each of the following sentences is clauses. Each clause has its own subject and predicate. We cannot start while it is raining. People who are honest are respected. In this sentence, there are two kind of clauses: principal clauses or main clauses, then subordinative clauses. The subordinative clauses is further divided into three kinds, that is noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. And the page number 5, here two Roman letters that say whether the group of words italics in the following sentence are phrase or clauses. First and seconds I am going to given you as a homework. You have to do this using the first you have to study this, that you have to read this chapter. After that you have to do this homeworks your own and yourselves, and after that you have to compare your answer to the page number 143 answer key. Okay, and you have to do yourself. After that you have to compare your answer to that page number 143, that is last page answer key. Okay, thank you children.